hello, hello, hello. Yes, Arthur! На камушку відлом. Andy, do you like it? Did you...
We should buy another one.
Oh.
We should buy another one.
I decided to send me that video. Active madness. Mommy ran inside.
Should we finish?